it's Gus Leak Detective, and yeah, we're testing a door today. It's just a normal door. We got some rust on the bottom of it. Nothing fancy here. Just wanted to show how did the water get in, and we just do a series of tests on a door to find out where the water will get in. Ultimately, that can show you some very specific routes for the door, maybe repair it. Direct rain, they get a lot of sheet rain on them, and
Right.
so
We notice more leaking for snow when snow is like packed against it and it starts leaking.
if you have a leak, give me a call 402-309-3911 #Leak Detective. Have a good one.